Hi, my name's Owen, and today in Owen's kitchen, I'm going to be making some quesadillas, and you can follow along and make some for yourself. I can prepare other ingredients while the rice cooks, so I'm going to start with this. First, I'm going to wash my hands. Then, I'm going to measure out a half a cup of rice. Make sure to use cold water to sift through the rice for any contaminants from the bag. The rice to water ratio is 1 part rice to 1.5 parts water, so I'll use 3/4 of a cup of water. Season rice with a half a teaspoon of salt, chili powder, and pepper. I add some fresh sweet pepper and spinach. I set a timer for 10 minutes, set it to high heat, and put the lid on the rice. Once it boils, I turn the heat down and let it simmer. Do not lift the lid off the rice because it's steaming. As the rice cooks, sift a bunch of spinach to clean off any dirt and also pick out any rotten leaves. Then cut off any large stems. Washing everything is important. I wash even the dust off the tops of peppers. When the timer goes, take the rice off the heat and set it aside. Cut up about 3 peppers and put them in a large frying pan on medium heat for 3 minutes to soften them up. Add 1 teaspoon of crushed chili pepper, 1 of chili powder, and a half spoon of salt. You can use whatever seasoning you like. I like to use a chopped clove of garlic as well. While frying, I add canola oil to keep things from drying out. Now grate up about 250 grams of your preferred choice of cheese. Open a can of organic black beans and sift through it using cold water for any dirt or small rocks like this one. Put them in a bowl and crush them with your hand before adding them to the pan with the peppers. Continue to stir and add canola oil as needed until the beans have browned. Then add spinach and cooked rice. Let the rice brown and put everything in a bowl to the side. Put a tortilla on the pan and cover it in cheese. Add the fried bean mix to 1/2 before putting more cheese and spinach. Add more cheese to secure it all together. Give it a couple minutes to melt and then fold the empty half over on itself. Flip the quesadilla and you're ready to add your next tortilla. After just a couple of minutes on that side, you're ready to take it out of the pan and get started on your next quesadilla. I keep making quesadillas until all of the quesadilla bean mixture is depleted. Or you could put it in the fridge and save it until next time. Thanks for watching Owen's Kitchen. And there we have them, 4 bean quesadillas. And I like to serve them with a side of my homemade hummus, which I'll show you how to make in the next video.